It'll be a challenge for sure, especially after last night's beluga party. Everybody's feeling it a little bit. Nice light airs today, and Luigi always does a great job with the course, so I think we'll have a good race today.
We have 3 more days to go, so we've actually just started, and you make one mistake and you're 12th, and you have big points behind your name.
We had some really good starts today, and that was probably the bigger difference. Yesterday we had a couple of bad starts, and you know, it's just you never quite know how you're going to shape up off the start line, but we put a lot of focus in on that today and just trying to be in a good lane off the line. And you know, the guys held tough and they did a great job, so that's all we can ask for.
Yeah, we're very, very pleased. We had a good start to the day. The third race was not so good, and then the last race was okay too. We were 4th. Seems to be coming together reasonably nicely. We had a decent start, and then we just had good speed, and ended up being a little bit lucky, and it turned out okay.